Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Do Not Disturb in Control Center on your iPhone. To actually use Do Not Disturb, it's very simple and easy to do. The very first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings on my iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, what I want you to do next is this. I want you to scroll down and tap on focus. Scroll down. So this is focus over here. I want you to tap on focus. So guys, once you tap on focus, it will take you to this page. On this page, what we want to do on here, you can see we have Do Not Disturb. I want you to tap on that Do Not Disturb. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to this Do Not Disturb page. The first thing you want to do, you want to turn on Do Not Disturb. Once you turn it on, then once you are on this page, if you look closely, you are going to see where it says people. I want you to tap on that people. Once you tap on that people, it will bring you to this page. On this page, I want you to select Allow Notifications From. So it says when Do Not Disturb is on, notifications from people you select here will be allowed. All others will be silenced and sent to notification center. So under here, you can see where it says add. The only way you have to use this add is if you have any contact that you want to add. Once you add any contact to this place, anytime you turn on your Do Not Disturb, this contact you have added already will be able to ring you, and Do Not Disturb will not affect them. So because you want to make use of Do Not Disturb fully, you do not have to add any contact. But if you want to add maybe just one person that you want to be able to ring you or to contact you, even if Do Not Disturb is turned on, you just want to add that person over here. And if you do not have, you do not need to add anybody. So once you select this, then I want you to look down here. You're going to see where it says allow calls from. So you just want to tap on that where it says allow calls from. I want you to select allowed people only. Just select allowed people only. Once you select allowed people only, you have successfully set up this Do Not Disturb. So you want to go back to your home screen. So on your home screen, anytime you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb, this is what you have to do. You want to swipe down from the top right corner. From the top right corner on your iPhone, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, now look at the middle here. You're going to see where it says, you're going to see something over there. That thing where it says Do Not Disturb, I want you to tap and hold on it. Just tap and hold on it. Once you tap and hold on it, the first thing it's going to say here, it's going to say Do Not Disturb. To turn on Do Not Disturb, you just want to tap on this Do Not Disturb, and Do Not Disturb will be turned on successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually use Do Not Disturb in your control center on your iPhone device. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.